Cadbury honors everything backward with National Backward Day. The day provides an opportunity to reverse our ways or directions or simply our shirt. Examples to know it's actually National Backwards Day. Go out the back door. Have dinner for breakfast and breakfast for dinner. Add coffee to your milk. Do your work in reverse order. Watch a movie backward. Wear your sweatshirt backward. Write your name backward. Say goodbye instead of hello when answering a phone call. Welcome.
I saw something about it. Isn't it the NVS-02 mission launching the second Navaisi satellite? Something about it being a milestone launch too?
Exactly. It's the NVS-02 launch on the GSLV-15, carrying the next NavIC satellite. They're saying it's going to be their 100th launch.
100th? I thought there was some controversy about that. I remember reading something, people arguing about the actual number of launches.
You're right, there was a whole debate. Some people were saying ISRO hadn't included all their missions like suborbital or texting ones. Others said even orbital missions wouldn't add up to 100.
So what's the real deal? How are they counting?
Apparently, ISRO clarified that they're only counting launches from Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, their main launch site. That's how they're arriving at the number 100.
Okay, that makes sense.
Pretty much.
Cool. So what will this new satellite do?
It will improve the accuracy and reliability of the NavIC system. They already launched the first one, NVS-01, last year. This one will join the constellation and enhance the Indian's navigation capabilities. It's a
ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಪರಮ ಪುರುಷ ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರಂದರ ವಿಠಲನ ಹೆಂಗದ ದಾಸರ ಎಲಿಯುವುದಾನಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ ಗೋವಿಂದ ನಿನ್ನ ನಾಮವೇ ಚಂದ